everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year you guys. It's 2025. We have come a long way and this is my first YouTube video of this year. A few days ago I had asked you guys on Instagram to post assumptions about me and you guys went all out and those are very weird, very funny, which I am going to answer today. So yeah, let's get them out of the way and let's get started with today's video. Let's get started with the first assumption. You love to rewatch your own video. I mean, yes, I really love to rewatch my videos, YouTube videos especially. I don't know, in some ways I think that it keeps me motivating. It just like pushes me to like make more videos, and also not with my friends. I just like to watch them like whenever I'm like alone. It kind of motivates me to make like more videos. So yeah, that assumption is not an assumption, it's a true fact. So the next assumption is you sleep very late, and yeah, I do sleep very late. These days I've just lost my sleep cycle because I reach home very late and then I just want to like lay back and then relax and watch some series and everything. So yeah, I tend to sleep really late. You have a secret tattoo. No, I do not have any tattoo. 2 days back, I was like willing to get one. I was excited about the both things, as you all clearly can see. I've spoken about these a lot of times that I was kind of obsessed with bows, and I wanted to get like a little tattoo somewhere here, or just a little thing that was on my mind for quite a long time. Then I don't have any secret, non-secret tattoo. Okay, so the next assumption is you have dated 4 boys. I've never dated 4 boys. I have always dated one boy. You are the boss of your girl group. I mean, I don't think so. I'm the boss. Actually, we are like very equal. It keeps on changing from like time to time and from situation to situation. So there's no single boss in our girl gang. Next assumption is you have a professional photographer like who shoots my videos and photos. I have a professional photographer, but he is not every time like there with me to shoot my this kind of videos, but he's really good. You can definitely go and check out his page. I will post a link in the description box below. He is too good. Videos that you all see, like the reels and everything, those are mostly shot by me, and then of course I edit them by myself because I love to edit my own videos. It is better to edit your own video and be creative in that field, and since I love editing, I think it is like a therapy. So the next assumption is you are getting married in 2 years. I mean, I would want to get married soon. No plans as yet, and definitely I'm going to share it with you guys if anything such is happening or is going to happen. So yeah, as of now there are no plans, but I would love to get married very soon. The next assumption is, which is not really an assumption because that is bang on truth, that you are bad at maths. And yes, I am really not good at maths. Since the starting only, I never liked math subject because I love literature. I kept on like hating maths, and eventually I am really bad at maths. So this is a true fact. So the next assumption is you smoke and likes to party a lot, which is absolute false, which is absolute untrue. I am not a partyholic, neither I smoke nor I consume alcohol. So yeah, I may look like on Instagram that I party a lot, I don't know, to some people, but not really kind of a person who doesn't like to go in like crowded places, who will want my only 3 friends to be here and then we will just chill out at each other's places, and max to max we will just go out together, and that's it, that's about it. Okay, so the next one is you are never on time. Well, I am always on time. I like to be on time. Earlier, I was like that, who was always late. Especially in school, I was like everyday late comer, but now I am always on time. Okay, you are not productive during your vacation. I think it's true. I think I'm more productive when I already have a lot of work, which is like today. I It's Sunday and this is the only time I think I would get from now on to shoot, because my work is from 1 to 6 now and I hardly get time when I reach home. On vacation I become a little lazy, very much lazy actually, and then I just keep on delaying things. Next is, you are a non-Goan. No, I am 110% Goan girl. My both the parents are Goan, and yeah, this is not true. You are a spoiled child. I'm not a spoiled child. I am, like, I think, very disciplined, good child. Your DMs are flooded with flirty messages. No. And I'm so grateful that they are not flooded with flirty messages, because I won't like to see such messages. So no, my DMs are not like flooded with flirty messages. They are like with good messages, some appreciative messages, and some people just admiring my work, admiring my content, which I love, and I'm so grateful for these kind of people in my life. Is, you have very strict parents? No, I don't have very strict parents. At one point my mom was very strict, but then as I grew up she became a little chill. Next is, you spend a lot of money, which is not true. I do not spend a lot of money. I am a big time saver actually. I like to save money. I will just buy things when they are on sale. Just keep my eye on those things when they will get on sale, and that time only I'll just invest my money on those things. So I'm not like a shopaholic. I won't spend like too much on the things. I'll just wait for them to get on the sale or on good discounted prices. You have expensive equipments to shoot. No, I do not have expensive equipments to shoot. I just have this iPhone 13 and I have this ring light from Digitech, and that's it. I do not even have a mic now, which I really want to change. I want to invest in like setup and everything, which I will do eventually this year. You don't like to wear Indian clothes? Oh my god, that's not true. I think in fact I have a lot of Indian clothes. I love them. First of all, they are so comfortable, and yeah, I love Indian clothes, so this one is not true at all. Next is, you have a lot of attitude. I mean, I know from where this coming from. I exactly know how people feel when they meet me for the first time. It looks like I have a lot of attitude. It just my face, you know, if that makes any sense. It's just my face, but I am like a good girl, a good person who's very kind. The people who are really close to me will get to know this, and yeah, that's it. And with that, we have come to an end towards this assumption video. It was so cool. The assumptions were so funny, so weird, and some of them were bang on true, which I love. And thank you everyone for sending all of these assumptions my way. I got to answer them. Thank you for watching this video. If you all have watched this video till here, please give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on my Instagram. Subscribe to my channel if you all haven't already. And this year I'm going to be consistent on Instagram, also on YouTube, and I will be trying to balance my work life also. Wish me all the very best in the comments below. Let me know what other kinds of video you all would love to see, and I will make sure to make them for you guys. Stay tuned for more such videos, and I'll see you soon in the next one very soon. Until then.